My dear students, at first wishing you a blessed Shubha Vijaya. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today I am going to discuss 3 questions from the text Leela's Friend. Each question carries 5 marks. Number 1. Sketch the character of Leela in briefly. Who is Leela? Leela, the protagonist in R.K. Narayan's short story, Leela's Friend, is the incarnation of innocence and simplicity. Leela, the protagonist in R.K. Narayan's short story, Leela's Friend, is the incarnation of innocence and simplicity. We are introduced to different shades of our character in the story. Leela is the first features of Leela's character. She is bossy and stubborn. In the beginning of the story, Leela forces her father to appoint Siddha as their domestic servant. Besides, Leela often calls Siddha, and Siddha has to leave his work to attend Leela. Siddha has to play with her and spend time in her company. Another hallmark or another feature by another hallmark of Leela's character is innocence. Innocence is the hallmark of Leela's character. Blessed with innocence, Leela easily believes Siddha's impossible stories about the moon following them and a ball smeared with moon comes back. And besides, Leela plays the role of a teacher to Siddha and enjoys it. And another important feature of Leela's character is careless about things. Quite different from the pragmatic mind who always craves for material wealth, Leela is careless about her gold chain and insists the policeman to release Siddha and let him play with her. Quite different from pragmatic mind who always craves for material wealth. Leela was careless about her gold chain and insist the policeman to release Siddha and let him play with her. Understood? Another feature is helpful and sympathetic. When Siddha is ill-treated and abused by her parents, and the policeman she cries and tries to save Siddha. Leela unknowingly breaks the class hierarchy by making friendship with Siddha. In this way, she raises questions on the class system of our society. Indeed, Narayan's portrait of Leela is quite impressive and inspiring. Number 2. Sketch the character of Siddha in briefly. In R.K. Narayan's short story, Leela's friend, Siddha is the pivotal, that is, main character. He represents the downtrodden class. He belongs to the lower strata of society. He was polite and obedient to his master. He had to do various types of duties, such as washing clothes, cutting woods, carrying messages here and there. But looking after Leela was his prime job. He was a mere servant who serves as a domestic help in Leela's family on a poor pay of ₹4 a month. And he was always at the beck and call of Leela. Siddha amused Leela enough by his fanciful play with the ball and the moon. He narrated Leela stories and he narrated Leela stories. And answering Leela's peculiar questions, Siddha tried to quench her wish to know the unknown. Siddha did all these to please her innocent mind. Siddha did all these to please, to quench her innocent mind. So Siddha had actually no bad intention towards Leela. Thus, Siddha became her most trusted playmate, her role model. But when Leela's gold chain was lost, Leela's parents regarded him as thief. The policemen kept him in police custody. At last, when the gold chain was found, he got no room at Mr. Shiv Shankar's house. He only got ill treatment and neglect. He endured everything. Thus, we find stoicism in his character. Understood? Number 3, third question. Evaluate Leela's Friend as a short story. What is short story? Short story is a fictional narrative in prose ranging in length from about 500 words to about 15,000 words, often, though certainly not always, limited to a very few characters, a single setting and a single incident. And this is the most popular form of reading and writing in modern age literature. We can say short story is a very brief form of novel. Actually, short story accentuates, or you may say short story focuses on only one incident having single plot. According to Edgar Allan Poe, a short story is a narrative that one would be able to read at one sitting. A short story is a narrative that one would be able to read at one sitting. It begins in the middle of an incident, that is, it starts abruptly or suddenly. No detailed description of the characters are given. They are revealed or they are understood in the course of the story. Then the climax and conclusion are treated not elaborately, but in short passages. A short story may have a sudden twist with an abrupt ending. A short story may have a sudden twist with an abrupt ending. Most importantly, it has open ending. Readers are left to think over the ending. Readers are left to think over the ending. Leela's Friend by R.K. Narayan fulfills all the condition. Leela's Friend by R.K. Narayan is an ideal short story. Only a few characters are there. Leela and Siddha are the pivotal figures. The story begins in the middle of the servant problem. Siddha and Mr. Shiv Shankar and then Leela and her mother appear in the course of the story, but no detailed description of them is given. The story slowly reaches or touches the climax with the missing of the gold chain, but the conclusion comes suddenly with the recovery of the chain. And at the end of the story, Mr. Shiv Shankar's words give it an open ending. Readers are free to form their own view, own opinion, own judgment about the ending. And herein lies the superb craftsmanship of a writer like R.K. Narayan. Understood? Clear? Okay.